I did it everywhere, even in the hotel.
Okay. Because that's what I would do too. Try to do it.
And
That's how you do it. So we agree.
from a cocktail reception.
Excuse me. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Thank you.
And
Hey, I'll come out. What do you need? You good? You good? Oh, okay, okay. But, oops, sorry.
The stuff on top of the hot box, so it needs to be.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
El pollo primero, ¿no?
Okay.
Es el que ya está más frío. Este lo acabo de poner aquí.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, all right.
There you go. That's the place you have to wait. This is the place where you have to wait. Right here.
Okay, I'll take one.
They tried to go all the way up, and then everybody got me here.
Oh yeah, I bet. Well, let's see. I think
We good?
might fill of those. Yeah.
We good?
Thank you. They're very good.
Hello. Chicken satay? Yes. Napkin?
Wow, you have lots of this chicken, don't you?
Lots of them. Just for you. Just for this table.
I am going. You must be.
Yeah.
'Cause I'm going crazy with all this chicken. My
You
goodness.
go crazy if you don't eat it.
I can't believe there's that much of it.
Oh, you good? How about you? Chicken satay over here?
No, thank you.
You good? We good? We good? Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
I'm the one that set up the whole bird Tuesdays as we do.
I'm good, thank you so much.
Do you guys need Yeah, every Tuesday. I'm good, thank you.
No,
You good?
We'll have one.
Yeah, yeah, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
Thank you. That's very good.
Mm-hmm.
Stick around for your.
Chicken satay?
No, thank you.
We good? We good? We good?
Stick around for the.
Hello. Chicken satay over here?
yes, absolutely. Thank you. It's on the corner of Chapala and Figueroa.
Chicken satay, sir?
What you get for some?
No, you good? Excuse me.
What kind of meat is this?
Chicken?
Okay.
It's really good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You guys got the real deal.
Hello. Chicken satay? I'll stay here now. Looks like you need some. Here. It looks like it's the last tray. You better get it now.
Really?
That's the last one.
This is the best thing on the menu.
Mm-hmm.
And I like the peanut sauce. I have to
Okay.
get enough to make it go all the way down, right?
That's it. You got it smart.
So somehow
Mm-hmm.
move it down, do it.
She
Like
made
that.
150 cupcakes.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Oh, what happened?
Somebody put that, thing
Oh, You want some chicken satay over here?
Not me.
Hello, I'm here. Yes, sir.
No, tell me.
Coming to the rescue.
I don't think I asked.
You already asked my name. You forgot. That's why.
No, tell me. I don't think so. Tell me.
Alejandro.
No, I know I didn't. Did I?
He's good with names.
Really?
Yeah, you was so hungry and you forgot. That's what happens when you're hungry, you know? You know that?
The food wasn't so good.
No.
Remember the people?
Yeah.
No. I think
You,
maybe it has
you
a-
remember this one, but you don't remember my name.
This is good. This dip thing.
Yeah, they're good. Hello.
Great idea.
Hello. Chicken satay?
Oh, satay.
Satay.
No, thank you.
Yeah, that's the last tray.
had two.
And this is the last tray, just to let you know.
Okay.
All right.
I said there's no more.
All right.
No, believe me.
I'm sure. I'm
good.
full.
You're not gonna see it no more.
Okay.
I'll disappear now. I'm
I'll
just
see
kidding.
more of that pesto cheese in the future, I'm sure.
What? You good? Chicken satay? You good? Chicken, real ones.
They're bad.
People sitting. I can do this. Oh, there's another tray. Chicken.
Yeah, real ones.
Put to work. Wow.
Yeah.
May I have a
Oh
napkin?
yeah, go ahead.
Thank you.
Any sauce? Dippy sauce?
I'll
No?
try a little.
Yeah, go ahead.
Is it like a peanut sauce?
Peanut sauce, yeah, you got it.
All right, very good. Thank you.
Oops, sorry. No, we're good, we're good. And this is the last tray. There's no more.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Last one.
Okay.
Last tray.
Talked her into it.
Yeah, last tray. There's no more.
Lots of peanuts.
That's the last one. Believe me. Last one. Last cold too. I'm just kidding.
5 pounds.
I'm here.
Been waiting for that.
I
Thank
thought
you.
you'd been for the raffle ticket.
No.
This is better than the raffle ticket thing.
know it. Thank you.
So we are going to get a sunset. Don't you think? Sunset.
Cheese satay. We're good. Chicken satay, young lady.
I'm okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Chicken satay. Second round.
Oh, the end. Okay.
Here.
The end. I'm gonna have one more.
Take it back up.
It's gonna be my dinner.
That's it. You got it.
All right.
Just put it down right there.
All right.
Put it down.
I was preaching about that today.
This is it. This is it.
This is
Oh,
it.
the big
This is it.
raffle.
This is it. Yep.
This is the end.
Thank
Thank you very
end.
much. I'm eating my dessert for my.
Santa Barbara Wildlife Care Network. Come on. Come on. We are here to celebrate over 2,000
And I can tell he saved one for me. So go for it.
rescues just this year. Is there anybody in the room that might want to take one of the raccoons?
He made a lot of his living off of
Home? Come on. Come on. I don't see any hands going up yet. All righty. It is my pleasure to introduce to you
There's no more
a
information, right?
man,
There's no
There's
more.
a couple trays
Oh, okay.
downstairs.
the
Yeah.
leader of the board.
Combine them if there's more than one.
Okay, okay. Oh, that's it?
One more bacon after that.
This is a very important operation because you are one of the 2 fundraising operations that we have every year. We'll try and do more.
Bacon wrap, please?
So wandering around have been the people with blue shirts, that's staff and volunteers. That send these tickets, but they really spend time at the center, taking care of the little animals that you guys are funding.
Bacon wrap, please?
So we have some special people here. We've
Yeah,
got
you're welcome.
Julia Barker, who's our she's the director of animal
Bacon wrap,
care.
please?
She spent a lot of time understanding and knowing about the animals.
Is that meat?
And we
Yeah.
have Caitlin Lloyd. Ostensibly, she's supposed to do volunteers, but she's also involved in
Okay.
a lot of the
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
operations that we're doing. And we have Ariana.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Lewis, and she's
Bacon.
new to the group, and she's our development head.
Uh-huh.
She
How about you?
has
You good? You good?
all kinds of other reasons to help us, operate and keep short. That's our team. And so
You're welcome. Come on, sir. Oh, more.
If you're near the outside, if you can yell that we're going to pull the raffle to the people that are, we're competing with the sunset, but the raffle is happening. So if you bought a raffle ticket, it's time to come on in.
No, thank you.
Good.
Thanks for
Again, my name's
Yeah.
Ariana.
Good.
And I'm very
Yes.
used to
With
the
the
Volunteer
Bacon.
Network.
Bacon.
I just wanted
They're really
to
good.
see if you all read our
Yeah, you're
newsletter.
welcome.
How many phone calls does Wildlife Care Network get?
Bacon updates for you?
No, those are the
Rescue.
rescue, but I know,
You're good now.
I know my limit.
Yeah, just yes, someone yes. How many? 10,000 phone calls. It's pretty amazing. And I'm just blown away actually by the care and dedication of this team and of the
Bacon updates?
That's good, thank you.
Nope. You're good. You're good.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh yeah, they're good. I'll stay here now. Bacon updates?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
people are working. They're there from dawn to dusk.
Yeah.
They're fed every 20 minutes. So I'm just blown away by
I'll put it over here.
it's humbling. So thank you so much.
The last one.
Last tray on this. Yeah.
Thank you.
Last.
And John.
Oh
Everyone know
yeah.
Joanne? Yeah.
Bacon updates?
Looking for the artichokes.
I think I got one last tray on artichoke. I'll come back to you guys.
I'm gonna have another one. Thank you. These are wonderful. I'm fine, thank
You good?
As I promised.
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, no problem. Oh, you remember my name now, huh?
Right?
Well, the last one you throw in the ocean, so you get one. Is that what it said? Is that right?
No. Yes.
Man, it's an accident. Oh, okay.
Come on, raise your hand. Tina!
Bacon updates?
8 years. 8 years she's done this. 8 more, and maybe we'll let you go. All right. We are going to pull a raffle today.
That's all I've been eating tonight is dates.
You think? Nah. We're good? We're good over here?
They're very good.
no, thank you.
Okay, all right.
I didn't get to buy because I had to buy your ticket to the roads.
Last four. Last four.
Honestly, their ticket was in there.
They're too good.
She was worried that her ticket wasn't in there.
Too many is enough.
Is enough? Yeah.
It's enough, I
All
think.
right.
It's enough. Yes. Thank you very much.
We have
Any
one
bacon
more
updates?
Sure.
Yeah, go ahead.
One more set of tickets
You're welcome.
for Dirty Dancing at the Granada. And the winner is going to be...
That's it. Last one for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Dan Keith. Dan Keith.
Bacon updates? Last one. Last.
Dan, you're a
That's
winner.
it.
You're going to be dancing. Fantastic.
Where is it?
All right. We have something near and dear for our third raffle prize. This is the first time ever Miss Julia will be taking you, 6 of you to be exact, on a fabulous tour of our property. Only Julia.
We good, right? That's it?
Yeah, we're good. Tried to make it.
And the winner is
Do you want some water?
I got him.
Sarah Hammett.
All right, Sarah. I love it, Sarah. Sarah is going to have the tour of tours. She won the tour of the property, which is amazing. You and 5 friends. We will set up a time. Fantastic! I know who's on that tour. And now, need I say more? We all know more.